Verb to be. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. You are. They are. I am a boy. You are a student. He is a man. She is a girl. It is a bird. We are friends. You are beautiful girls. They are friends.